Hello there and welcome back to Chives. In today's video, we will be creating a crochet kitchen hand towel. Whether you're drying your hands, wiping spills, or handling hot pots and pans, a kitchen hand towel is always within reach. To create our crochet kitchen hand towel, you will be needing the following materials. Cut a piece of toweling fabric measuring 15 inches in height and 12 inches in length. To create the hem using a serger, measure 2 centimeters from the edge and sew on all 4 sides. To create the hem using a needle and thread, measure 2 centimeters from the edge, fold and pin into place. Sew the hem onto the fabric. Once you have the fabric's edges all cleaned up, with your darning needle and yarn, sew in 21 horizontal lines evenly 1.5 centimeters on the top of the short edge of the fabric. Using your yarn and 5mm crochet hook, join in the first stitch of the previously sewn-in lines, with a slip knot and chain 1. Row 1, single crochet in every stitch in the row. Turn your work, row 2, chain 3, double crochet in the next 20 stitches. Turn your work, row 3, chain 3, double crochet in every stitch in the row. The total number of stitches in this row is 21. Row 4, double crochet 2 together. To create your beginning double crochet 2 together, chain 2, yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all the remaining loops in your hook. Double crochet in the next 17 stitches. Double crochet 2 together. There are 19 stitches in this row. Turn your work. Row 5, double crochet 2 together. Double crochet in the next 15 stitches. Double crochet 2 together. The total number of stitches in this row is 17. Turn your work. Row 6. Double crochet 2 together 2 times. Double crochet in the next 9 stitches. Double crochet 2 together 2 times. There are 11 stitches in this row. Turn your work. Row 7. Double crochet 2 together 2 times. Double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Double crochet 2 together 2 times. There are 7 stitches in this row. Turn your work. Row 8. Double crochet 2 together 2 times. Double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet 2 together 2 times. The total number of stitches for this row is 5. Turn your work. Row 9. Chain 3. Double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Turn your work. Row 10, chain 3, double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Turn your work. Row 11, chain 3, double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Turn your work. Row 12, chain 3, double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Turn your work. Row 13, chain 3, double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Turn your work. Row 14, chain 3, double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Turn your work. Row 15, chain 3, double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. Position and sew the button on row 8 on the second stitch in the row. Fold the top of the fabric and sew with a thread and needle using a simple running stitch. Or sew by machine. Create a crochet sunflower by visiting the links in the description box. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.